Hi, today I'm reviewing the Ordinary Matrixyl 10% and Hyaluronic Acid Serum. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money, and I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com or click on the Amazon link below. So I've been using this serum off and on since it came out from The Ordinary, and finally decided to have a time to review it, so you guys might decide to check it out or have questions on it. It's one of the better serums from The Ordinary. And they describe this as Matrixyl is a highly effective peptide composition that has been shown to reduce the look of dynamic wrinkles. It contains 2 generations of Matrixyl, which are Matrixyl 3000 and Matrixyl Syntha 6, at combined concentration of 10% by weight in a specialized hyaluronic acid delivery system. So, I'm going to let you guys know my thoughts on it based on my Sarah score scale. My first criteria is packaging, and obviously with The Ordinary, we've got the standard dropper bottle, which is impossible to find if you've got more than 5 bottles from them. If they color-coded it, that would be so awesome. But anyway, or even just replace the cap with the color. Anyway, but it's still a very effective way to package it and affordable, so I don't have any issues with it, although I did find them annoying. My second criteria is alcohol, and this does not contain any denatured or drying types of alcohol. And this is also fragrance-free, which is great from The Ordinary. The manufacturing location is Canada, so no issues with that. Ease of use, you can use this in the morning, in the evening, or just choose one. Personally, I recommend applying this one in the morning. It just seems to work better in my morning routine. But if you have a favorite time to apply it, it does not an issue at all. So, and then I recommend applying this after cleansing, toning, and essences, but before thicker serums or moisturizers. And the pH of this is about probably 5.6, I would say, 5.5 pH. So it has a nice silky texture, and it dries pretty quickly, and it absorbs fully, so it doesn't leave like a sticky texture, but it does feel nice and silky and hydrating when you're applying it. And I like how it sets quickly, but not sticky at all, and it layers well with other products. So yeah, no issues at all. Very easy to use. And you can certainly, if you want to use it twice a day, they'll probably help the results come a little bit faster. This is a product to really notice because the Matrixyl can really deliver more longer lasting effects on wrinkles. But it does take a few months of use to really notice that. So you might notice some initial plumpness when you use it the first few times, but to get some really long lasting effects, you're going to want to use it for some time to give it time to really affect your skin. So very easy to use. So in terms of antioxidants and beneficial ingredients, so Matrixyl, it's a trademarked term for a specific peptide, which is palmitoyl pentapeptide 3. This peptide has been known to give longer lasting results that extend just beyond the application time. Like other peptides, you'll notice plumpness and a little bit reduction in fine lines, but the second you wash it off, the results go away. So this one can help repair long-term damage, help increase collagen production, and reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. So this one says it's 10% by weight. I'm going to assume that's 10% concentration, not necessarily by molecular weight. That word kind of threw me for a loop when I saw that. So I'm going to assume that's what they mean. So let's see. It also contains sodium hyaluronate, which is good for hydration. Other than those ingredients, the rest is just slip ingredients and hydration ingredients. So it might have been nice for them to contain some other beneficial ingredients, but overall, for the price, you're still getting some really good peptides, and there's other products and brands that sell things with Matrixyl in there for much more money. So overall, it's got some good beneficial ingredients, those peptides. So my 7th criteria is animal testing, and this product is cruelty-free as well as vegan. Performance. So skin looks instantly more plump and hydrated. Over time, after you use it for a couple months, you'll notice a little bit lessening of fine lines and wrinkles, especially, I've noticed it especially on my eyes, and I've always had this wrinkle in between my eyebrows from going like this, and I don't know, in school I must look very serious. But I will say using this long term has significantly reduced the appearance of those. I also use a little laser in between there to help it. But definitely commit to using this for several months. Don't use it for a few days and then give up, or don't use it for a day or two and then skip a week and then use it. Definitely use it consistently for a long period of time and you will notice things, but it will take a little bit of time to notice them. So commitment with this one is important. Commitment and consistency. So my 9th criteria is price, and this is 1 ounce, which is the full size, and it currently retails at for Sephora for $11.50, although I think when I got this it was like $8 from The Ordinary when I initially would buy them. So I think the price is kind of creeping up a little bit now that it's at Sephora and Ulta, but still super affordable. And then my 10th criteria is the it factor, and I like this one. There are many products that contain the Matrixyl, although the Ordinary Matrixyl happens to be super affordable, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, easy to use, decently packaged. So I really like it. So overall, it's one of my favorite products that contain the Matrixyl. I've tried a few, and the Ordinary one is my absolute favorite out of them all. So I gave this one a drum roll 10 out of 10. Doesn't happen very often, but this one, in my opinion, is definitely deserving of the 10 out of 10. It's a good one, well worth checking out. Yeah, so I think everybody should give this one a try. If you've got any issues with fine lines or deep wrinkles, it's worth giving it a try. So anyway, I'm interested if you guys have tried this one, and if you have, what your thoughts are, or if you have any other products that you use that contain the Matrixyl peptide. What is it and how do you like it? So definitely leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. Check out nobsbeauty.com and the Amazon link below, and I will see you tomorrow.